damage. It's all true, but it contains no facts. Her teddy bear eloped with her mother. Her father went to buy flowers for himself on Father's Day and never came home. Her grandma was a waste paper basket. She was raised by staplers. Her skin was deathly white. Her birthmark was the shape of Africa. No one explained anything to her. She excelled at school until she was abused by her own calculator. She ran away from home to join a troupe of travelling accountants. She could balance a filofax on her head and yawn at the same time. Audiences loved her. She married a man called Jerry, who turned out to be a hat stand in disguise. She contracted a disease transmitted by celibacy. She slept in a violin case, smoking rosin. She lost all pleasurable sensation in her ears. She drank to forget.